Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love fries, but I'm not a fan of takeout, so I decided to make my own of these super thin and long fries. They go great with hot dogs, burgers, whatever you want. So let me walk you through this, and you're gonna love them. So what I've got here is a couple of peeled potatoes, and I'm going to place them in some boiling water, and I'm going to let them boil for about 20 minutes until they're fork tender. After about 20 minutes, they're fork tender, so I'm just going to use my handy dandy spider and pull them out and place them in a bowl. Okay, put in a good knob of butter, about 3 tablespoons of milk, of course some salt, pepper, some garlic, and I'd say this is maybe half a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of that wonderful Parmesan cheese, and we're going to go ahead and mash this up till it's smooth and creamy. Guys, this smells so good. And what you want is a mixture something like this. And I give this a taste test, and it is so good. Next up, what I'm going to do is add in a 1/4 cup of cornstarch gradually and continue my mashing. And if you feel like it's a little bit dry, you can add more milk or even a little bit of water. But this is about perfect for me. Now what I'm going to do is add my mashed potatoes to a piping bag. Now you can use a Ziploc bag too if you want, but I like a piping bag. And we're going to cut the tip out. And we're going to pipe onto a plate. You can do it directly into the hot oil, but you know, I like doing it onto a plate. It's a little more accurate, but look at these long fries. Now I'm going to put my long fries into some oil at about 350, 375 and let them fry until they're a nice golden brown. And you're going to find these might twist a little bit on you, but don't worry about it. They're like snakes anyway. So it's best if you do it maybe 3 at a time. Otherwise they might stick together and kind of move them around. And this is only going to take you, I'd say, a couple of minutes because they're super thin. Then we're going to set them aside on a wire rack. And these are so crispy. And there you have it, guys, our long, thin potato fries. Incredibly delicious. So let's give this a taste test. I'm just using ketchup here, but you can use mayo, Dijon mustard, whatever you like. So let's try this. These are so delicious. Better than takeout. Perfect snack for movie night. You're going to love them. You gotta make them. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. And see you next time.